This is the Simrad NSS EVO 212. All the software has been completely updated. All the wiring has been completely redone, and we're still experiencing a problem with losing the compass at startup. So I've turned the batteries on the engine, and we'll fire up the Simrad chart plotter, and we'll take a look and see what happens here. Sure, we're almost there, and here we go. Okay, so we accept this down here. Okay, so you see this is no radar overlay. Let's get rid of the radio here. Now, if we just switch this to mode with a compass, you see down here that the compass is gone. It's missing. It's not finding the compass whatsoever at startup. Now I'm going to reach inside here, which is where we have our panels, and this is the where we have the place for the fuses. When we pop that off, pop out the network, and then it loses the network, of course. That's the sound. And we try and get this back in, and we put it back in, and lo and behold, there's the compass. So again, power on at startup, no compass, pull the fuse, pop it back in, and everything seems to work fine. That's a big problem we've been experiencing on this system.